In today's video, we'll be having a look at Johnson & Johnson's, we'll be having a look at the stock, and I'll be giving you my thoughts. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. So having a look at Seeking Alpha, you will see Johnson & Johnson's ticker symbol JNJ is currently trading at $170.74, and the annual growth is 13% for the year, and the 52-week range is $133.65 up to $179.92. If we scroll further down, you will see SA Authors is bullish, Wall Street is bullish, and Quantum is neutral. The value is a B, the growth is an F, and profitability is a A+. If you don't know who Johnson & Johnson's is, Johnson & Johnson's is a research and development manufacturer and sells a range of products in the healthcare field worldwide. It operates through three segments: consumer health, pharmaceutical, and medical devices. The consumer health segment offers baby care products under Johnson's and Aveeno baby brands, oral care products under the Glycerine brand, skin health beauty products under the Aveeno Clean and Clear, Dr. Shilabu, Neutrogena, and OGX brands. But if you'd like to find out a lot more about this company, I'll link a video on top where I go into more detail about this company. Now, Johnson & Johnson's is in the healthcare sector. They are in the pharmaceuticals. They have 143,500 employees. They were founded in 1886, and they are in the United States. If you have a look at their revenue, in 2016 they made 71 billion, December 2017 76 billion, December 2018 81 billion, December 2019 is 82 billion, January 2020 is 82 billion, and the estimated for this year is 94 billion, and for 2020 will be 97 billion. You will see that the actual is always more than the estimate for Johnson & Johnson's earnings per share. If you have a look at the momentum, Johnson & Johnson's grew 13% for the year compared to the S&P 500 of 29%. Market cap is 455 billion, total debt is 33 billion, cash is 25 billion. An enterprise is 461 billion. Trading volume is 2.51 million. Average volume is 6.05 million. Previously closed is $173.66, and the opening was $173.49. If you have a look at the ownership, you will see institutions are holding on to 1.83 billion, public corporations are holding on to 340,864 shares, private corporations are holding on to 6,719, individuals and insiders are holding on to 1.64 million, state-owned shares is 1.15 million, public and other is 804.16 million. So if we go back up and have a look at the dividends, looking at the dividend summary, the dividend yield is 2.44%, the annual payout is 4.24%, the payout ratio is 43.84%, the 5-year growth is 5.96%, the dividend growth has been going on for 59 years, so that's almost 60, which is really great. The quarterly paying dividends is $1.06, and this is a quarterly paying dividend company. Johnson & Johnson's announced a dividend increase of 6.3%, which means instead of getting $1.01 per share, we will now be earning $1.06 every quarter. Having a look at the dividend history, If you have a look at the consistency grade, consecutive years of dividend growth, JNJ has 59 years, where the sector only has 2 years. Consecutive years of paid dividends, JNJ has 59 years, where the sector only has 17 years. And if we go down, you will see the next 2 quarters will be earning $1.06 per share. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support a lot. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So having a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see they say the market cap is $454 billion and the yearly target for the price range is $189.61. So if we scroll down, if you have a look at the earnings, you can see they've beat the third quarter in 2020, they beat the fourth quarter in 2020, they beat the first quarter in 2021, and they also beat the second quarter in 2021. Having a look at the financials, you will see the revenue and the earnings is all in a plus and everything is over $1 billion. If you have a look at their recommendations, you will see there's a few strong buys, a lot of buys, holds, underperforming as well. The overall recommendation is a 2. The annualized price target is 160 for the low. The current price is 172.82. The average price is 189.61 and the high is 215. If you have a look at the holders, having a look at major holders, you will see 0.08% is held by insiders, 69.44% of shares are held by institutions, and 69.50% of float are held by institutions, and 4,214 institutions are holding on to these shares. If you have a look at top institutions holding these shares, you've got Vanguard Group that's got 231 million, BlackRock with 191 million, State Street Corporation with 142 million, George Capital Management 42 billion, George Capital Management 42 million, State Farm Mutual Automotive is 34 million, Wellington Management Group is 32 million, Bank of New York is 32 million, Bank of America's Northern Trust Corporation is 31 million. So if you have a look at the top mutual funds, you will see you've got Vanguard, SPDR, Fidelity, Vanguard again, iShares, Vanguard, Select Sector, and Washington Mutual Investor Fund. So I personally think JNJ is still a great buy. It still have a great future, and this is one of the dividend kings, which means it's a very safe company to invest your money in as your dividends keeps growing every year. And it's also a great growth stocks. If we have a look at the last 5 years, as you can see, it's got its ups and downs just like any other stock. But if you have a look at the overall, it's always in an upward trend. This is one of the companies I am planning on buying more shares in the future. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.